it's Miss Y from Maker Monday. Today we're going to do another paper plate pal. This time it's an exotic parrot. This parrot has a really long tail. Are you ready to get started? Here's what you need: a pair of scissors, some craft paint in red, yellow, and blue, but you could use any colors you'd like, a paintbrush, a jar or can of water, and a paper towel. Here's a paint tray. You could also use another paper plate, a stapler, some kind of party streamers in any colors that you like, one paper plate, and a Sharpie marker. First, we're going to cut the paper plate in half. This will create the body and the head of our bird. This curve represents the tummy, and this represents the head. See how there's a curve on the top? Right here. I like it better when it's facing this way. This part represents the beak. We're going to staple the head to the body. It only takes two. And now we're ready to paint. Get your paint tray and your cup of water and add some paint into the paint tray. Use any colors that you like. I'm starting by painting the beak yellow. I'm going to make sure to get inside all those bumpy parts. Wash off your brush when you're changing colors, and I'm going to leave a white patch for where the eye goes. I looked at some pictures of parrots, and this is what they look like. Every time you change colors, it's a good idea to wash your brush. Now I'm adding more yellow, and I'm using a very quick brush strokes so that my bird looks like it has feathers. Finally, I'm going to add some blue at the bottom, and I'm going to blend it and mix it and make it look really soft. You might decide to use more than just 3 colors. You are the artist, you get to decide what your parrot looks like. Don't forget to clean your brush. Now it's time to add the eye. It's gonna go right there. Add a little puddle of squeezy glue to the back and stick it on where you want it to go. After it dries, it's time to add the tail. Find your streamers and pull out a long piece. I'm going to use 2 pieces of red streamer and 2 pieces of blue. Maybe you want just one, or maybe you want more. You're the artist. Find the ends of the streamers and put them together like this. We're going to staple the streamers to the end of the bird. I like to fan them out a little bit so that all of them show. Only 1 or 2 staples will keep this secure. Here's the last final detail. I'm going to use a Sharpie to add little marks. I've seen some pictures of tropical birds, and they have these little black curvy spots under their eyes. This makes it look a lot more realistic. I think I'll outline the eye, and then I'm going to add some black to the beak. This Sharpie's a little dry. Better get a new one. Good job, makers! Make sure to like this video and subscribe so you get to do a new art project every week. See you next time. You want a cracker? Me too.